Regional pricing lets you offer location-based discounts to specific markets. The problem is that anyone can just use a VPN to appear to be in a different region and claim a discount that they aren't eligible for. In this video, I'll show you how to use Fingerprint to detect and block VPN users from activating regional discounts. We'll start with a mock checkout page where the discount can be claimed from anywhere, and then we'll add Fingerprint to that page to enforce the regional rules. So here's what it looks like without any protection. We can see we got my fake checkout page here. I can click add regional discount or add local discount, and I get a discount for being in the United States. Cool. But now I'm going to go ahead and connect my VPN to a server in Japan. Now I'm connected, I come back, refresh the page, and if I try and activate a local discount, you can see now I'm getting a discount for Japan, right? The server is applying the discount just based on my reported location using the IP address. It has no way to detect that a VPN or any kind of location spoofing is happening, so anyone can claim a discount from any region. Now let's take a look at what this looks like with Fingerprint added. So I'm going to go ahead and come over to this Fingerprint version. I'll activate that local discount. My VPN is still on, and you can see that I'm being blocked because it has detected the VPN. So right, Fingerprint detects that usage, and you can then use that signal to block discount activation when the user's location can't be trusted. The regional price is then only applied when the visitor's location isn't being masked. Okay, so let's take a look at how this is actually being implemented. First thing we want to do is bring in the Fingerprint JavaScript agent here using the public API key, and then we're going to ask Fingerprint when that button gets clicked to identify the user. So here I'm getting rid of the old IP check, and we're going to identify that browser or that device, and we're going to get back an event ID. That event ID will then link to the full identification event we'll use later, but for now I'm just going to pass in the event ID instead of the direct IP address that I was getting earlier. Now, same thing here on the back end, we're going to be passing the event ID all the way through instead of that IP. Same thing here for the get region discount. I want to make sure I'm using the event ID. Now that get region discount lives in the discount.js file. And here I'm going to bring in the server API client for Fingerprint. And again, here I'm using that secret API key. So make sure that that secret API key is not exposed. We're going to continue to pipe through the event ID here as well. And I'm going to get rid of this code here that was getting the geolocation based on the IP address. And first thing we're going to do is use the event ID to get the full identification event details. So this is going to give you things like the geolocation, but also the VPN detection, as well as bot detection, virtual machine detection, browser tampering, etc. I'm also going to pull out the country name and code here as well from that information. And then we're going to add the VPN check. So it's pretty simple. We can just pull out the VPN verdict. It's just going to be true or false. And based on that verdict, we can say, hey, if VPN is detected being used, then we're going to decline the regional pricing. We also can use our suspect score just to get a general idea of overall suspiciousness. This basically combines all our smart signals together into one number, and you can use that to kind of evaluate how suspicious a visitor is. The higher the number, the more anomalous. And then from there, I think the rest of this is pretty much the same because we're just using that country code as well to actually get the discount percentage. So let's go back and refresh the page here. I'm going to go ahead and I'm still connected again to that VPN, and I'll go ahead and try and activate my VPN, and you can see I am being blocked now. And we can go ahead and disconnect the VPN as well just to make sure we're still working. I'll refresh the page. Now if I try to activate that discount, then I get the appropriate discount for the country that I'm actually in. Right, so regional pricing can really only work if you can trust the location behind the request. And Fingerprint gives you a reliable way to verify and block requests where the location has been modified or manipulated. In a real implementation, you can of course expand on this with more logic using more smart signals, or adjust your discounting rules per market, maybe add additional checks if it's suspicious for visitors. But take a look at the full tutorial and the sample application for a complete walkthrough and try it out for yourself. Take care.